The question is to determine which of the given intervals is guaranteed to contain a root of the function by the intermediate value theorem. This problem is typically at the level of a calculus assignment or quiz. If you're preparing for final exam level calculus questions, feel free to check out my YouTube videos linked above. 2 raised to the x plus x squared minus 10 equals 20. Only use the values of the function at the endpoints of each interval to justify your answer using the intermediate value theorem. Let's define the function f of x as 2 raised to the x plus x squared minus 10. We are asked to find which interval must contain a solution to the equation f of x equals 20. First step is to check continuity. The function consists of an exponential part and a polynomial part, both of which are continuous for all real numbers. So we know that the intermediate value theorem can be applied. Next step is to evaluate the function at the endpoints of the interval from 2 to 3. First, evaluate f of 2. 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. 2 squared is also 4. So 4 plus 4 minus 10 equals negative 2. Then, evaluate f of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. 3 squared is 9. So 8 plus 9 minus 10 equals 7. Now we observe. Negative 2 is less than 20. 7 is also less than 20. So 20 is not between the values at the endpoints. Therefore, this interval does not contain a solution. Next step is to check the interval from 4 to 5. Evaluate f of 4. 2 raised to the power of 4 is 16. 4 squared is 16. So 16 plus 16 minus 10 equals 22. Now f of 5. 2 raised to the power of 5 is 32. 5 squared is 25. So 32 plus 25 minus 10 equals 47. Here, both endpoint values are greater than 20. So again, 20 is not between the values. This interval does not contain a solution either. Next step is to check the interval from 3 to 4. We already know f of 3 is 7, and f of 4 is 22. Now, 7 is less than 20. 22 is greater than 20. So the function changes from below 20 to above 20 between x equals 3 and x equals 4. By the intermediate value theorem, there must be at least one number between 3 and 4 where the function equals 20. The correct answer is option D, the interval from 3 to 4. When working with the intermediate value theorem, remember these key ideas. First, you must check that the function is continuous over the interval, and most common functions like polynomials and exponentials are. Second, you only need to plug in the 2 endpoints of each interval and check the function values at those points. Third, look at whether the value you're solving for lies between the function's values at the endpoints. If it does, then the theorem guarantees there's at least one solution inside the interval. You don't need to actually solve the equation. You're only showing that a solution must exist in that range. That's it for this question. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel. If you're looking for tutoring on final exam level questions, check out my YouTube channel at MathTutor8285. You'll find helpful explanations and strategies to ace your exams.